Wanted to say
I melt whenever I hear this song.
but no one else for me.
Her voice is
I
beautiful.
surrender completely.
All right, so having trouble selecting the perfect engagement ring? Well, Sajarto Landels is here to give us a few pointers. Sir, good morning.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing?
Not too bad. Them say you're the ring expert,
Ring man.
you know. The ring leader.
I wouldn't really say that still, but I have kind of a little knowledge of it.
All right, so tell
In
me.
terms of like,
Sorry. Tell us about what is the significance of an engagement ring, really? Why has it become so significant?
remember, you're choosing a life partner, right? So the fact that you're choosing a life partner, it means then that you have to put a lot of thought into what it is that you're actually getting for that person, right? So it's a case where you're tying the knot. Then you want to make sure that that knot is tightening. You understand?
Tell.
So how do you go about selecting the perfect engagement ring now, Sajarto? I mean, there are many things to consider, I'm sure.
Well, yes, and especially if a diamond lovers, because you know that women are diamond lovers, right? So you have to consider like the 4 C's, which is color, cut, clarity, and carat, right? When the diamond is not so colorful, it is somewhat rare. So that is what we call VVS, which is very, very clear diamond, right?
All right. So my thing is this, So does an engagement ring have to be a big ring, or it not have to be so big? Because I see some people with engagement rings that are massive. When some women talk, they do this. Boy, my day
Like this, yeah.
My day just hasn't
Oh
gone
my
so
God,
well.
it's just so hard.
What, Debbie? Why is it so hot?
Oh my God.
That kind of thing. Is there any significance to that when someone gets an engagement ring that is massive?
No, there isn't any significance to the size of the ring whatsoever. It boils down to your spouse and you knowing your spouse and knowing what him or her actually likes, right? Like say for instance, then this stone that I have in my hand, it's called tourmaline, right? The instant when I saw this stone, it just speaks to my aura and my energy. So this stone right now, it's a grounded stone, right? Especially if you want to rid your space of negativity, it's a really good stone. So therefore, it boils down to you actually knowing what your spouse actually likes. If it's a case where you guys are together for an extended period of time, you're going to hear the female saying that she likes a big ring or a small ring. So therefore, you have to be very attentive, right? And you have to be very observant.
So
It boils down to you actually knowing your spouse. So the size of the ring, no, it doesn't matter, because you have females who do like small and cute.
okay, should I go larger for the wedding ring versus the engagement ring? Should the wedding ring be more elaborate and significant than the engagement ring? What's usually the trend there?
And again, I would say it still boils down to you knowing your spouse, because you have some women who just want a nice, cute wedding ring, and then you have some who want the extravagant size wedding ring. So it just boils down to you actually knowing your spouse. But to say it's you place significance on it, no, I don't think so at all.
All right. So when I was growing up in high school, I heard about the promise ring, and then there's the engagement ring and the wedding ring. What's the difference between the three?
With the engagement ring and the wedding ring?
And promise ring too, because I gave a girl a promise ring in primary school.
Can you imagine the lollipop ring that
It
Excel
wasn't a
gave to
lollipop
the...
ring. I
lollipop ring them where you eat off and
promise is a comfort to a fool, so...
I saved my lunch money to buy that ring, What's the difference?
Oh, God. Well, promise ring, right? For me, it's not a big ring, right? That would be more like the Valentine's Day ring. That little cute ring. Yeah, opposed to like an engagement ring now, where so that I have some form of uniqueness to it. So it's not every girl going to be in that engagement ring or that wedding ring, opposed to that cute little what do you call it now? Promise ring. You can go extra time.
I like that.
So for the engagement ring, because usually a proposal is a surprise, should I be picking out my engagement ring as a woman?
I think that you have some say in it, yes, in the engagement ring, because I normally see women actually have a say in the type of engagement ring that they actually want.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think they should. Well, for me, I think they should have a say in the wedding
But
ring.
yeah, but again, I think that to be spontaneous
Yeah.
is actually something, right? And I think women like a little spontaneity, just like myself, you know. Yeah, so to be spontaneous, I think it works. But normally, women have a say in choosing the
Okay.
wedding ring.
So I see some types of engagement rings here: gold, rose gold, princess cut, simple, white gold. Is there a favorite from your experience, from your, customers or people who you have advised? Is there a favorite among those types?
Yeah, women love white gold, right? And they love like this like pure diamond. So those two are like the two
Yeah.
best sellers.
Why
So
is it that
like the rose gold.
yeah,
Mhm.
the rose gold, as we was touching on it, I hear people say rose gold is not a serious piece of jewelry.
It's not a serious piece of jewelry.
Yeah, like it doesn't, it have to carry that kind of weight like
In a pop.
like the white gold, or it just not look like it's serious.
No, it is unique. That's why I'm saying it depends on your taste, as a female or as a male. So it depends on your taste. But I'm telling you what I'm seeing often.
Yeah.
Yeah, like men normally go for the rose gold, especially for engagement, and then it would be the diamond for the wedding.
Yes, so Jarto, Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Your thoughts on the whole season now with COVID and everything happening? Do you think the significance of Valentine's Day is watered down because of what's happening now?
I don't think that love ever dies. I think that love is continuous. The fact that we are living and breathing, it means that we have love because the Almighty is love, right? In terms of going out and getting an extravagant gift, I would see people holding back due to the strain that we have, the financial strain and the crisis that is happening now, right? So what I would like to tell men is to just be creative in what we're doing, right? Women like to be pampered, so therefore like a spa date, that would be ideal, right? Opposed to just jewelry, right? Women love flowers, any type of flowers. It don't have to be roses, yeah, but women love to be pampered. So therefore, if you can just think outside of the box instead of just jewelry, and I think that it's much more cost effective. So.
All right.
Like that.
Love that. Thank you, Sajarta Landels, for giving us some pointers on choosing the perfect and most ideal engagement ring. Now, when we come back, guys, we're addressing toxicity. Toxicity. Right here on Weekend Smile. Soon come back.
Toxic.